Hello my beautiful friends, this is Dani from Stay Fitness. If you're new here, then thank you so much for being here. I invite you to check out the rest of my channel. I make content for women who wants to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. If you're back, then welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful angel cakes. They're I consider them carnivore, then depending on the ingredients you're gonna use, it's gonna be more or less carnivore. Super basic, 2 ingredients, super easy to make and extremely delicious, surprisingly delicious. So all you need to do is divide 6 eggs, whites from the yolks obviously, keep the yolks aside. I made vanilla pudding with those yolks, which I'm going to show you next week. And all you need to do, very protein sparing style, is whip them up with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and a pinch of salt. Whip them up until they're stiff peaks, and then all you're gonna do is add 15 grams of whey protein powder. I'm 99% sure that you can do it with collagen as well. I haven't tried yet, I don't have any collagen, I usually just do bone broth, but if you try, please let me know. The flavor of your protein powder is going to determine the flavor of your angel cakes. So I use this amazing vanilla whey protein powder that I found, and it gives a beautiful flavor. So yeah, just if you choose unflavored protein powder or collagen, I would just recommend to add vanilla or some other flavorings. At this point, you can also add some sweetener if you want to. I kept it as carnivore as possible, so I didn't add anything. You're going to portion out your angel cakes. I use this mold, which I sprayed with a bit of avocado oil, but you can also just do a tray with some baking paper. I would spray the baking paper just to be safe, and then just portion it out with your spoon. It doesn't really matter, they'll come anyway. Then you're going to bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 100 is like 75 Celsius. For about, depending how many you make, of course, is until they're golden, like just about golden brown. I would say no more than 10 minutes. I think I kept mine for like 7 minutes top. I didn't really time it, I just watched them closely, make sure they don't overcook. You want them to stay nice and soft inside. After they're baked, you're gonna let them cool down completely so they're easier to manipulate and easier to get off. If you're having them in a mold, they're easier to get out. And then I decorated them with a bit of whipped cream and 1 or 2 raspberries. I didn't taste them on their own, but I would recommend to add something on top. If you wanna keep it 100% carnivore, you just do whipped cream. If you want a few raspberries or some chocolate shavings, is up to you. I thought this combo was amazing. Raspberries and cream, it was just so delicious. The angel food cakes are super soft inside, and yeah, just amazing treat. The base of the cake, I would say it's almost basically 0 calories. It's just like some protein, so is amazing that we have a carnivore dessert that there's not also a fat bomb, so you can basically eat as many of them as you want. And yeah, that's all it is for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you do make this recipe, tag me, take some nice pictures. I would love to see it. So many of you always tell me that they've done a recipe and then they didn't take any pictures because they ate it before they could even take a picture. So please do take some nice pictures. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.